What could be better than attending a conference with a little vacation on the side? Estonia's summer capital, Pärnu, provides the perfect work-leisure solution at any time of the year. Looking to escape the rush of a big city? Located a 2-hour drive between Tallinn and Riga on the west coast of Estonia, Pärnu is a peaceful and unspoilt seaside town. Hosting over 2,500 high-end hotel rooms, various golf courses, and countless team-building activities. With long-standing resort and wellness traditions lasting over 180 years, Pärnu has developed an exceptional reputation for customer service, creating an atmosphere that eliminates the stresses that are often associated with conferences and corporate events. This is your ultimate work-leisure experience. When it's finally time to get down to business, Pärnu accommodates various sized corporate venues located within a leisurely walking distance, so you and your staff can ditch the daily routine. From small, historic and culture-rich seminar rooms to large, stylish and contemporary conference halls, all providing a diverse range of catering options and on-site facilities that meet every international requirement. You can now enjoy healthy, efficient and positive conference days. Have you ever considered a conference at a world-class hotel? A seminar on a white sandy beach? A team meeting on a racetrack? A video call at a historic villa? A team event on a beautiful golf course, or a team-building experience at an established UNESCO heritage site. Unlike other corporate destinations, we are here to tailor your event to suit your preferences. The possibilities in Pärnu are endless. Make your next conference event one to remember.